In this video, I will show you 9 creative ways to make your videos stand out using Filmora to enhance your video editing as well as make you more effective in creating your videos. To change the look and feel of your video, you can easily apply an LUT or a lookup table in Filmora, and there are presets that you can use. However, more than that, you can also preserve the skin tones by using the Protect Skin Tones feature and adjusting the skin tones slider so that your original skin tones aren't affected. And it just takes a few moments to adjust this, and it makes video editing so much faster and simpler. Closely related to skin tone protection is auto color match. Matching clips with different colors can take a lot of time. However, with Filmora's AI color palette, you can do it easily. All you need to do is to select the clip, click on AI color palette, then you can select a reference frame and move the clip to the color that you want. Like this one was the color that I wanted. Click on generate, and you can have all your clips match the color that you want. If I turn off AI color palette, this is the original clip and this is the clip with the color match. So even if you have multiple clips, matching them all to have the same look and feel is just a few clicks away. A lot of people watch videos on silent these days, so captions are so important. However, creating manual captions is so time consuming. With Filmora speech to text, you can create them easily. Select the clip that you want, hover over and select speech to text. Choose the file that you want. This is the clip selected. The language, no translation, auto match so that you doesn't need to even match it manually, and hit generate. It will take a little while to generate the text. However, with this, you see that all the captions automatically generated. It saves you a ton of time from creating manual captions. If you prefer not to do a voiceover, you can use Filmora's text-to-speech effect. Go to Audio, click to Text-to-Speech, and you can turn any text into speech. Just start typing in your text, and let's say select the voice that you want to use, whether it's a male or female. You can listen to the voice first to see whether this voice is suitable. If you're alright, just hit on generate and Filmora will generate the speech for you.
The stranger is on false. The stranger is on the move for his target.
You have a scene that requires you to cut it into different sections, but you want to do it quickly. Instead of doing it manually, you can do a Smart Scene Cut and right-click. Click on Smart Edit Tool, Scene Detection. Filmora will detect all the scenes and cut it for you, and if you just click on Finish and Replace, all your scenes are cut into different sections so that you don't have to do it manually. You can rearrange the scenes or delete those that you do not want, and boom, your video is ready. If you want to hide some number plates or some signs, you can use motion tracking instead of doing it manually. Select the clip that you want, go to motion tracking and select the AI motion tracking. Adjust the square to track the object that you want to track. Click to start motion tracking. After that, what you can do is to link an element, say a mosaic, and you can select any type of mosaic, and you can adjust the opacity and also the size of the mosaic to just hide the plates in this instance, and click on alright, and there you have it. The number plate totally hidden so that you can create the anonymity that you require for your videos. Filmora 14 have a new feature called Smart Scene Cut. With this, what you can do is to select certain custom object for identification, and Filmora will look for a scene that has such an object and will split your clip accordingly. What you need to do is to click on an object, mark it on the screen, and click on save, and you can mark several up to 10. I'm just going to do one and hit start, and Filmora will process this video. Once it's done, you can go to the scene. So it's like it has found one of 5 scenes that have this object, which is the helmet which I've selected. This is another scene that has the helmet as well. If I want it, I can just add it into my clip. Let's say I want to click add, let's say this one, and I can add this and add it into the main timeline. So it just saves so much time rather than looking for certain objects within a video clip. If your video clips do not come with music, or if you have trouble looking for a suitable background music for your video clips, Filmora has the ability to generate smart background music generation. You can ask Filmora to generate this music, and all you need to do is just to click start, and Filmora will generate that music by analyzing your video content. You can also do the same by going to audio, going to AI music, and selecting the mood of music that you want to. And you can also determine the duration as well as the generated music count as well. So there are 2 ways you can generate this music, and you can also select whether you want the mood to be happy, or whether it's for romance or for other things as well. Creating thumbnails take a significant time if you are a content creator. With Filmora, you can do it right inside Filmora itself by going to the export button and click on the edit thumbnail. Here you can use the AI cover, or you can use a template, and there are tons of templates you can use, whether it's for vlogging, short video entertainment, or you can also select it from your video by just selecting the scene that you want, and you can just extract this as the thumbnail. You can also add the thumbnail to the beginning of a video for sites like LinkedIn, which uses the first frame of a video as a thumbnail. It's so much more easier rather than doing it manually. All you need to do here is to either save it or export to local, and you can have that thumbnail right in your video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and check out what's on the screen right now for other Filmora tips as well.